mark, get set, wait.
I've been to a couple of events where we've seen other people cook and you've kind of been part of a masterclass. You've not actually had your hands on, but yeah, no, this is the first time we've actually got our hands dirty and it's really good, really exciting as well. Well, you know, our strap line at DRP is anything's possible, so I wouldn't say we've got the highest chance, but anything's possible.
I would like to think that I'm a keen baker. I think today may have proved otherwise. But it's all enjoyable and it's a good laugh, and that's why we're here.
Did you get any practice in before today?
No, but I should have.
Oh my goodness, we have it down to a T. We've put hard graft into it and we're going to be the winners.
I certainly won't go and notice.
It's pretty much how I thought it might be. A good amount of creativeness and slightly madness at the same time, I think.
Yeah, good team building.
Oh, we're going to smash it completely.
Bakers, you have 5 more minutes.
Equal division of labour, clear sight of the objective, bit of creative thought.
It's stuff I made earlier.
And then the essential ingredient, panic. Fantastic opportunity. We see each other in a business environment to be able to meet in a more relaxed atmosphere, and just to share some fun. It's a brilliant idea.
And I'm delighted to say that the winner of the first, and we hope what will be an annual occasion, Great Agency Bake Off is DRP.
Well, yeah, the three of us, I think we can get quite competitive because of the nature of our job, so I think that spurred us on a little bit. But by and large, yeah, I pitied the chefs when they were tasting our creations, but I'm glad and thrilled that we won. And it's so kind of you guys to invite us today, and great to be a part of the whole experience. Really.
And a fantastic concept. I think it was really, you know, everyone was kind of competitive and not only that, enjoying it at the same time. And, you know, it's definitely something that the industry needs.